Machine Gun Kelly admitted he once put a loaded gun into his mouth during an intense phone call with Megan Fox. The singer, 32, is engaged to actress Megan, 36, with the two being open about the ups and downs of their relationship. His Hulu documentary Life in Pink recently dropped and, in it, he detailed one of his lowest moments from July 2020. MGK, whose real name is Colson Baker, was struggling with the death of his father and ended up going down a dark downward spiral. He was dealing with extreme paranoia all while his fiancée Megan, who was his girlfriend at the time, was in Bulgaria filming a movie. "I wouldn't leave my room and I started getting really dark. Megan went to Bulgaria to shoot a movie and I started getting this really wild paranoia," he said. "Like, I kept getting paranoid that someone was gonna come and kill me." MGK would even fall asleep with a shotgun next to his bed and ended up snapping on the day of the phone call. "I called Megan. I was like, you aren't here for me. I'm in my room and I'm, like, freaking out on her. Dude, I put the shotgun in my mouth," he added. "And I'm yelling on the phone, and like, the barrel's in my mouth. And I go to cock the shotgun and the bullet, as it comes back up, the shell just gets jammed." Megan's like dead silent. At the time of his father's death, a grieving MGK told fans he would be taking a break from social media and from the spotlight. "I had plans for the one-year anniversary of Hotel Diablo today. That album was everything I wanted to say and I know it's close to my fans," he tweeted. Get all the biggest showbiz news straight to your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror Showbiz newsletter. "But my father took his last breath this morning, and I've never felt a pain this deep in my life. I'm setting my phone down," added MGK. "Love you. Thank you guys for everything." Machine Gun Kelly has been open about his mental health struggles in the past. "I think I'm new to being vulnerable outside of songs. I see a lot of pictures of me and there's like, smiles on them," he said in December 2021. "It's just weird though because I didn't feel good at all that day and I kind of am sick of smiling on days when I don't feel like smiling." If you are struggling with mental health, you can speak to a trained advisor from Mind Mental Health Charity on 0300 123 3393 or email info@mind.org.uk.